Hi, my name is Samantha. Welcome to today's video. Today's going to be a Joann's haul. Let's get into the video. If you haven't already watched my video of the tour of the new Joann's, go ahead and check it out. It's super cool. It's so like new and updated. It's really nice. Go ahead and check out the video. I'll have it linked. And without further ado, let's start looking at the haul. So all of these items I purchased were free. If you want to know how I got these items for free, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. In my video coming out on Thursday, I'll explain how I got it all for free. All right. So first up, I got I got three different cotton flannels to make reusable towels. Those were super popular when I was at Dulles, and so I was told that I didn't have enough like animal print items because I'm personally not into animals, so I don't shop like that, but I need to shop for my customers. So I have this one picked out, which is for dogs. This one, horses. And lastly, cats. So these will be made into reusable towels. Next up, I got some serging thread. If you haven't watched my unboxing and my videos about my serger, go ahead and check that out. I absolutely love my serger. It's amazing. And I have burned, my white cones are on there. They're almost out. Oops. All good? Okay. These are my black threads. They are almost gone. So I got 2 more blacks and 2 more whites. The way the serger works is that 2 of the threads go faster than the other 2, so you're constantly rotating them out. So by getting 2 additional ones, it'll last me quite a while. I didn't need 4 new ones. All right. Next up, I have 2 different combos. Okay, this is where Joann's did me dirty. Check this out. So I cannot remember the amount I ordered. I ordered like 5 yards or something, and it's written in the thing. It's written in the thing like, oh, it may be cut, not the full yardage. So with this one, look, I got 2 cuts. I'm not happy about it. So these are for placemats. So one side is going to be the dog print, and the other side, these are quilting cotton. The other side is just like gingham. And this one is like Christmassy, but that's fine. So my goal is to get all of this done for Dulles December 10th through the 12th. And next up is blue and gray. I love these. I think they are so awesome looking. But look, again, here's like a smaller cut and here's the rest of it. So that really irritates me. I'm not happy that they did that. But it is written right in the thing when you go to order it. So I meant to say, I did not go in and buy all this stuff. I ordered it online and picked it up. So if you're not standing there watching them cut it, you don't know if it's going to be one strip. You have to stand there and watch them if you want it to be one strip. So I knew that was a risk when I ordered online. However, I didn't have the time or patience to order it in store. Plus, if I went into the store and picked out stuff, I would buy more stuff. Like I literally only bought what I need to make what I need to make. So I'm gonna make placemats and then some coasters with the outside edge, and then so that's what those guys are for. And then these guys are for the reusable towels. So I did not buy anything extra. So next up is to serge and pre-wash these guys. Just in case you were wondering, I got it all washed. Now I need to go ahead and iron and package. Get them cut up and then make them into the products that they are, which I have tutorials for those as well. Go ahead and check out all those videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.